In this episode, you will witness the transformation of an abandoned ruin into a luxury mansion. You will be shocked when you see how much a house can change. You will discover shocking features in this video that you won't find anywhere else. And by learning and applying them to your own home, you will find inspiration to live in a place like a palace. You will see the entire process, from top to bottom. And while having fun, you will also gain knowledge. First, the exterior of the building is cleaned and renovated. This is essential before moving on to the interior. All the damage to the building must be identified and repaired. After that, the interior work will begin, because cleaning and repairs on the outside can cause the inside to get dirty.
Keep the pressure steady on that corner. We're almost done with this side down here. Watch the water splashing near the trucks. Keep the pressure steady. Target that upper window. Watch your step on the wet stone.
Roof renovation, or reconstruction, can be done in the first stage, but since no work has been done inside yet, it is carried out as the second stage. The roofing process is vital to prevent rain, snow, or other adverse elements from entering the building. After the roof is completed, some sections of the exterior walls are finished with stone patterns and others with wood cladding to make the building look attractive, appealing, and well protected, giving it a completely new appearance. And lighting system is installed so the building can take on a different appearance in the evenings. It truly looks magnificent. For the luxury building to truly live up to its name, a well-designed garden is needed, a pool is built, and landscaping work is carried out. Now the interior renovation begins. In order, the entrance hall, main living room, dining room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, library, and music rooms are completely renovated from top to bottom and furnished with new modern items. Look at how the main living room has turned out. This modern style has given it a new life. The dining room was thoroughly cleaned and fully renovated, then furnished with new items. It looks magnificent. The kitchen was a complete ruin. Just look at it. The transformation it has gone through is truly unbelievable when you see the stages it has passed.
Look at the extent of this water damage up here. We'll need to stabilize that cornice immediately. Check the floorboards over here, they're lifting.
The ceiling and walls in the bedroom have been beautifully renovated. It has gained a magnificent appearance.
The ceiling here is completely saturated and the tiles behind the tub are barely holding. It's a complete loss.
In the bathroom, the bathtub was removed and the walls were finished with modern tiles. After that, a new bathtub was installed, giving it a fresh new life. The ceiling, walls, bathtub, and mirror were completely replaced.
Keep stacking the damaged ones here. We need a bigger barrow for this lot. Watch that high shelf, it looks unstable.
The books in the library were removed, the ceiling was renovated, and stone cladding was applied to the walls. With new bookshelves, it gained an elegant and fresh appearance. An epoxy flooring was applied to the music room, giving it a look that makes you feel like you're working under the sky or in space. Subscribe for more amazing videos.